Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Rocket League on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Rocket League on your Android device, go and open up your Play Store. Into the search box, type in Rocket League and perform your search. Once you find this application that says Rocket League Sideswipe from Cynet Studio, tap on the install button to begin the downloading process. Wait until the application gets downloaded and you'll be able to play the game right away by tapping on the play button. That is how you can easily download Rocket League application right on your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.